Sixth class in lecture number 9th of English ladder, page number 40, and lesson number 6. Today we will learn about the civilization and the history of the Harappa. Our story name is A Day in Harappa. It means today we are about to learn about the civilization and the history of the Harappan people and about their living style of that time. Okay, before starting our lesson, we should know about the basic history of the Harappan people. Harappa is one of the earliest civilization in human history, christened by the archaeologists in the Indus Valley or Harappa civilization. Students, it is related with the Indus Valley. The Harappan people were considered to possess sophisticated knowledge about all the spheres of life, including settlement, planning, art and architecture, stamp and seals, weight and measures, pottery, jewelry implementation, and so on. Although they are very much aware about all fields of the life, ज़िंदगी के सारे जो फील्ड्स हैं, जो शुबे हैं, उनमें वो हाईली डेवलप्ड पीपल थे. वो ज़िंदगी के हर चीज़ के बारे में, उसकी सेटलमेंट के बारे में, या वो शुबा जो है प्लानिंग का हो, आर्ट का हो, स्टैम्प का हो, या किसी भी चीज़ का हो, पोट्री का हो या आर्ट का हो, उस चीज़ के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा वेल अवेयर थे. Now students, you check a lot of things. You can observe a lot of things like trade system, the pottery works and their construction system in this page. The Harappan society that existed approximately from 3300 to 19,000 BC was at the brink of the social and cultural development of those time. अपने टाइम की वो social और cultural टाइम में बहुत ज़्यादा बुलंदी पर थे. After its post decline around 1700 BC, this one flourishing culture got lost in the pages of the history forever. दुनिया से मुकम्मल तौर पर ख़त्म हो गए 1700 BC के बाद. Okay, sixth class, their prominent progress is that one of the major architectural wonders of the Harappan is the construction of the citadel. Massive walls, like you can see, these are the massive walls of the citadel. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से इनको कंस्ट्रक्ट किया जाता था फ्लड से बचने के लिए, किसी भी किस्म के तूफ़ान से बचने के लिए. यहाँ पर ग्रीनरी जो है, अनाज गला, उसको सेव किया जाता था. The walls provided protection against the floods of the Indus River to protect important buildings like the granary and the assembly of the town halls. इंडस वैली के ये बिल्कुल किनारे पर सिविलाइजेशन जो आबाद थी, इसलिए यहाँ पर जो घर बनाए जाते थे या ग्रीनरी या सिटाडल, उसको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से कंस्ट्रक्ट किया जाता था ताकि आने वाले तूफ़ानों से बचा जा सके. किसी भी किस्म के जो सैलाब हैं उनकी जो अनाज और गला है उसको तबाह ना कर सके. And then sixth class, another marvelous invention or the creation of the Harappan people is the construction of the Great Ball. Great Bath की जो वहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन थी वो इतनी अच्छे तरीके से की जाती थी that there were changing rooms around it. उसके इर्द गिर्द जो है changing rooms है. There was a hole at the corner of the bath to drain out the waste dirty water and refill the fresh water again. उसके इर्द गिर्द एक होल भी था जहाँ पर फ्रेश वाटर को है भरा जाता था और एक तरफ से गंदे पानी को निकाल दिया जाता था. So with after observing all the things, we can say that they were the highly developed people and were at the brink of the highly developed civilization. Okay, now we will discuss about the story and the main characters of the story and difficult word meanings as well. Okay, sixth class, this story reveals about the history as well. First of all, we will read about the before we start. Harappan people loved toys such as toy cards, like you can see, and toy animals made from the baked clay means चीकनी मिट्टी के साथ, गीली मिट्टी के साथ वो जो है टॉयज़ बनाया करते थे. Several styles of the cards as well as wheels made of the terracotta. Terracotta means जब मिट्टी को गीला किया जाता है, उसको बनाया जाता है, तैयार किया जाता है खिलौनों के लिए, किसी और भी चीज़ के लिए, हैव बीन फाउंड एट द हड़प्पन साइट। हड़प्पन की जगह पर वो हमें ये सारे निशानात और इस तरह की चीज़ें जो है मिलती हैं। दिस स्टोरी इज़ अ हिस्टोरिकल फिक्शन है ये। वी डिड टू नो मोर अबाउट द हड़प्पन के बारे में, एज वी हैव लर्नड अबाउट इट। Now there are some characters. First one is messenger that comes in the story first of all to invite the lower class at the citadel for the massive feast, and then Ori, the daughter of the father, and then Mogu. Mogu is also the son of the father, then father and mother, who play the role in overall the story. Okay, sixth class, this story also depends on the cultural and poetry crafts, their business of the trade with the two famous countries of the Mesopotamia and Egypt. With the two countries Mesopotamia and Egypt, इनके साथ उनका जो business है वो depend करता था, उनके साथ वो trade. Sixth class, the Harappan peoples used to wear dhotis and the skirts, as in the story the father has worn dhoti and the mother skirts. Mother ने क्या पहनी हुई है, स्कर्ट पहनी हुई है, और father ने धोती पहनी हुई है. So this is showing about the wearing style of the Harappan. The women of that time were fond of the jewelry as Ori wishes for the necklace. जैसे ओरी इस स्टोरी में विश करती है कि उसके पास नेकलेस हो प्यारा सा, उसके जो पोट्री क्राफ्ट्स हैं, उसके बर्तन जो है मिट्टी के वो बिक जाएं, तो वो इन पैसों को लेकर क्या करेगी, उनसे अच्छी सी ज्वेलरी खरीदेगी और उनको पहनेगी. Sixth class, by observing all these things we can say that the people of the Harappa were of very refined taste. उनका जो टेस्ट था according to each thing was very good. And now your task is to make assignment on the civilization of the Harappa, and you will paste the pictures as well about their civilization. Now let's discuss the difficult word meanings of the story. Our first word is location, position, announcement, notice, massive feast, enormous, huge meal, construction, act of building, buzzing, ring of television, and then greeting, best wishes, priest, religious rites, and then granary, structure in which grain is stored, authority, power, purchases, goods, stuff, luggage, trading, business, pottery, act of working with clay, celebration, festival, profits, earnings, craft work, handicrafts, barley, scarcely, then merchant, industrial, seal, insignia, sweat, moving, piles, heap, bricks, stones, unique, rare, gladly, happily, node, falling sleep, mount, embankment, hole, gap, drain, flow out, slightly, somewhat, stalled, meander, spotted, dotted, then design, model, draped, cover with cloth, exchanging, trade, cheer, joy, despite, in spite of, exclaimed, cry out, morsel, a bite of, investigate, examine, bubbles, sparkle, filthy, dirty, sporting, outburst, mucky, dirty, gushing, flood, repaired, meant, choked, totally full, soaked, dip, ivory, creamy white. Okay, sixth class, except these word meanings, you will learn the book read meanings as well.